Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download and use a popular screen recorder known as Bandicam. This is Odum Business Consult. You are welcome. The first thing that we need is to open our browser. Then in the search address, just type, or better still, go to the address bar and type www.bandicam.com. then press enter. Okay, so it will take you to the home page. Of the software. So what you have to do is just click on free download. If you click on that, and it will take you to this section. Just click on download Bandicam 2025. Then it will ask you to wait in a minute. Okay, so you can see that I start downloading. For me, I've already done that, so I'll just cancel it. Just wait. If you don't have it, let it finish downloading and install it as a normal installation of an application on your device. So I presume you've downloaded it successfully and you can install it onto your PC. Now when you finish, you just open it. Now when you open it, this how it will look like after you've installed it on your device and you open it. This is how you're going to see it. Now you have to do some few settings. Okay, so over here you have the home, you have general settings, then have video, we have image, and so on and so forth. So under home you see your videos. So all your videos that you will do, you will see them over here. Yeah, the video that you've used the application to do, you see them over here. Then when you come to this section, this is where you can add an overlay text. Okay, so maybe you have a text that you want to appear on your video so that anyone that will see will know that this video is coming from this particular person. So for my own, I've done it Odum Business Consult. So if you see any of my videos, you see it over there. So we use this text to do it. And this is the mic. Okay, so because I'm doing recording using the same application, it will be very difficult for me to change it over here. So just on your own, if it is mute, unmute it. Okay, so that you can have a sound for your video when you are recording. Okay, and here too, this is the volume of your video. So that one, if you click on that, then you select the percentage. Okay, so you can mute it or unmute it. But if you want to have a sound for your video, don't mute it. Okay, so make sure it is like this. And here is where we click to start recording and we click to stop the recording. So this button over here, and this one we use it to pause the video, or better still, you can just click Shift plus F12 on your keyboard to pause it. Then here too, you can use F12 to start or stop the video. So if you want to pause it, you use Shift plus F12, but if you want to start, you can use F12. Okay, and if you want to stop it, you can still use F12 to do that. Now let's see some. Okay, over here, if you want to add yourself, a video of yourself attached to your video, this is where you set it. Okay, your own, if you click on that, it will ask you add a webcam overlay. So just select the camera, then you click save for the pop-up that to show on your screen if you click here. But because I'm doing recording, I cannot change it. Okay, now let's see something under general. Okay, so when you come here you can set the folder in which the video will be saved in. Okay, so you can create a folder on your desktop, then you link it to that particular folder. Anytime you do a recording over here and save it, it's going to be saved in that particular folder that you select over here. So if you want to do that, just click here. So just click here, then you select a folder from your PC. Okay, so you see here it says select a folder, so you have to select a folder that you want to save the videos in. Okay, so if you have a particular video that is for a particular folder that I want to save the video in, just click these three buttons over here and select the folder and save it. So anytime you do a recording and you save it, it will be in that folder automatically. Okay, so this is how we do it. Then let's see what is under video 2. So if you select this button, if you select it, you see that F12 is for start recording or stop recording. Then if you select this one to shift plus F12, you can use it to pause the video. Okay, so you can just show mouse cursor, you can click it, or if you want to add it to your video you can do it, but for me I don't want to do it, so I've left it. So the add webcam overlay, so as I said it, if you want to add a video like this of yourself to your video, just come to this side. So under video you come to settings, then you select the camera. So you select the USB. My own is USB 2.0 camera. I don't know how your camera will be, so just select that camera. Then after selecting the position and so on and so forth, you just click on OK. Okay, so anytime you do a recording, you have a video of yourself attached to your video. Okay, attached to your screen recording. So these are the basic things that you need to know about this wonderful screen recorder. Okay, it's a very powerful and I love it so much because of the features. Okay, and because this one is a trial version, the maximum length that you can have to record a video is 10 minutes. Okay, with a watermark. If you want to remove all those limitations, then you have to buy it. Okay, you can buy it. In my subsequent videos I will show you how to buy the product key so that you can activate it and watermark, and then time limitation will be no more. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any issue with downloading and installation of the application, which is the Bandicam screen recorder, leave it in the comment section and I will attend to you. If you have not subscribed to my if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel so that you have an update for subsequent videos. Thank you very much and see you soon.